Oh man. No, you guys aren't ready. Here we go. Oh, the whole reason this is a big deal is because you guys make it a big deal. And anytime I wear it, I get torn apart from 9,000 different European dudes. I used to like you until you supported Man United. Man United means I have to unsubscribe. You know, like, guys, the team that I choose to support is Manchester United. I don't know too much about it. It's just the team I chose, okay? Like, honestly speaking, you guys lose your shit over the smallest things. We're gonna transition now from sort of semi-bitter Dan to sentimental Dan. In the past week, I feel like I've had a record high of you guys coming up to me in public and saying hi. It means the world to me when you guys do that. And not from a I'm famous standpoint, but more so from doing this for so long, I've removed the ability to know who you guys are. Those interactions help me out more than you know. Guys, I love you. I guess what I'm trying to say is I love you, okay? Even though I may not know who you are directly, you somehow have a force with me that you may not be able to understand, that hopefully one day I'll be able to help you understand that. Okay, that's enough of this sappy shit. No more! What's up, guys? Today we're doing another DIY. Full disclosure, I'm not quite sure what the main purpose of this might be. I do know that it's kind of cool. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make magic sand. So let's just jump right into it. Here's what you guys need to make some magic sand. I'm becoming the king of dollar store DIYs. First things first, when we're making magic sand, we're gonna obviously need sand. We've got blue, red sand, we have a pink sand, we have a green sand. You can get finer sand and maybe it'll work better. I've never done this before. Colorful sand. You need like a glass bowl or something you could see with. Again, this is purchased at the dollar store. It is a vase or a vase. When I said vase, so many of you guys were like,
did he just say vase? He must be Canadian.
vase. Okay, you need a vase. Now that's the stuff you can get from the dollar store. The next thing you're gonna need is actually something I purchased at Canadian Tire, Scotchgard. So this stuff is what you spray on fabric to make water repellent. So I got 2 cans. I think you're only gonna need 1. You're also gonna need some tin foil. I guess another optional one is cookie trays or cookie sheets. Something to basically spread the sand out on. Step 1, you're gonna take that and you're gonna lay out your tin foil, just like that. You're gonna take 1 color of sand, so we're gonna start off with blue. I've actually decided to change this up. I don't know if this is gonna work, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the blue sand in like a Tupperware container. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the Scotchgard and you're gonna spray it on the sand. Now by the way, this is toxic, flammable. You're gonna wanna have a well-ventilated room. I didn't know it was that smelly. We're gonna put the lid on and we're just gonna shake it, okay? Just like this. Spray it again. Put the lid back on. Holy man, I can't stand that. Holy shit. Essentially what we're trying to do here is cover all the grains of sand in Scotchgard. So that's why you're spraying it so it looks wet, shaking it, spraying it again. You're gonna do this a few times, okay? We're gonna go ahead and pour it out on our tin foil now, and we're just gonna spread it out, just so it can dry. This needs to be fully dry before we can use it. We're gonna wait for the blue to dry. While that's drying, we're gonna go ahead and do pink. Weirdly turned purple. Go ahead and spread that out. All right, I'm gonna put these outside to dry. While that is drying, I wanna take this time now to address a rumor that's been going around about me. A lot of you guys are saying that I've got the most beautiful balls in the world. That was a terrible joke. Let's go ahead and do green next. Go put that outside to dry. Last but not least, we have red. Since you guys already understand how this works, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one outside, and we're gonna come back and run some tests. While that sand is outside drying, I went ahead and filled the vase full of water. I wanna show you guys a comparison of what normal sand will do with water versus what magic sand will do with water. You pour it in, and it just kind of drops to the bottom. It's like, what the hell is that, right? Literally nothing special is happening. It's like very wet sand, okay? It's actually wet. I wanna show you guys now what magic sand will do. Now that our magic sand has fully dried, bring it in. This is where it gets cool. Check this out. So we're gonna grab some of the blue from our tray. Now watch this. It's the same. Except it's like bubbly. That's weird, actually. Not the results I thought. the hell? It's like got an individual air bubble around every sand. Try green. Pink? No. Guys, what happened? Let's just try red for the hell of it. The red is somehow dyeing the water. What kind of cheap ass sand is this? What did I do, man? Pulling the sand out, it's just as wet. I apologize, this is a massive fail. It's very rare that I have a DIY not work out. To be honest, if you look at my channel, I think I've got less than 5. It's supposed to go in like a snake. It's supposed to stay dry. So in that sense, this failed. I'm still gonna go ahead and upload this video, obviously, because you're watching it. I want you to know that sometimes in life, things don't always go the way they're expected. The whole idea of my DIYs is I try them for the first time on camera with online recipes. This one did not work. I think the sand is too thick. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry, guys. Don't hate me. It has always been a part of my mantra with my YouTube channel to show the successes, but also the failures. And I want to show you guys that this was a fail. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Danocracy, where I have new content coming at you every single day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.